married to a halibut. Halibut? Said, no, that's no good. Do not relate. I'm still messing with this.
Sorry, it's okay.
If I was married to an elephant, it's an elephant, yeah. I love elephants, man. Seriously, I do. Okay? I have so much admiration for elephants. Yeah. So I wrote a song about an elephant. You know, it's like this. If I was married to an elephant, I know exactly what to do. Lay in a shade, drink pink lemonade, but any flavor would do. If I was once upon an elephant, I'd ride along in the breeze. I'd ride in the breeze, pick fruit off the trees, and I'd feed them to you. See a two-step, but watch it don't be snapping on me. We'll bring your sister along. I love your sister, why she's as fine as can be, yeah. Transistor sister in the wallowing pond. She got a pool degree. If I was married to an elephant, I'd follow her all around, yeah. To Elephant Town, where we could wallow, where we could wallow. Well, bring your sister along. Gee, I love your sister. She's as fine as can be, yeah. Transistor sister by the wallowing pond. She got a pool degree, yeah. If I was married to an elephant, I'd follow her all around. I'd follow her down into Elephant Town, where we could wallow, where we could wallow. And in the town of water, out in the wobbler yonder, we're sleeping in the blanket of dew, yeah. And in the town of water, we'll ponder every wonder, we're sleeping in the blanket of dew. Oh!
Yeah!
Thanks, Braxton. Hicks. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.